robot vacuum market continues to evolve, and two of the most talked about new releases are the Mova V50 Ultra Complete and the Roborock Saros 10. Both are premium vacuum and mop hybrids with advanced docking stations, strong suction, and intelligent navigation. Special thanks to Mova for sponsoring this comparison. Links to both products will be in the video description. While they share a lot of premium features, they take different approaches. Mova emphasizes maximum power and pet-focused innovation, while Roborock leans on refined automation. The V50 Ultra Complete is built around raw performance and versatility. At 24,000 pascals, it ranks among the strongest robot vacuums we've tested, paired with Mova's Turbo Weave dual brush rollers and triple anti-tangle design that promises 100% hair pickup without clogs. Navigation is handled by FlexiRise, a retractable LDS sensor that lowers to slip under sofas and tight furniture, then extends in open spaces for wide visibility and precise mapping. For edges and corners, Mova goes further with a retractable side brush and an extending mop for deeper reach. Its dual-solution mopping system uses warm water and lets you choose between an all-purpose cleaner or a pet odor removal solution, automatically applied to the mop. The FlexiPress mop pad maintains even downward pressure while spinning at 260 RPM to scrub stubborn stains. Thanks to Stepmaster lifting wheels, the V50 clears obstacles up to 60 millimeters and vertical steps up to 1.6 inches, making it one of the best at handling tricky floor transitions. At the dock, the Jet Spray dry board washes pads with 20 spray nozzles, filters dirty water to prevent odors, and supports dual cleaning solution tanks plus a HEPA self-cleaning filter. Powering it all is a large 6400 mAh battery for long runtime. The Saros 10 takes a different approach, leaning into automation and smart home integration. It delivers 22,000 pascals of suction with a zero tangling brush system that includes a retractable side brush and a dedicated side mop for edge coverage. Navigation is powered by Reactive AI 3.0, combining a retractable LDS, RGB camera, triple structured light sensors, and Vertibeam lateral detection for precise obstacle avoidance, even around tricky furniture edges. Roborock's VibraRinse 4.0 mop system automatically lifts or detaches when crossing onto carpet, preventing moisture transfer, while its sonic vibration scrubs up to 200 RPM. The RockDock Ultra pushes convenience further with 176°F hot water pad washing, 140°F heated drying, auto detergent dispensing, self-refilling, dirt detection, and both fast and off-peak charging options. Beyond hardware, Roborock excels in software and ecosystem support with compatibility across Alexa, Siri, Google Home, and Matter 2.0, plus its own built-in voice assistant, Hello Rocky. Pet owners also get unique features like pet snaps, live video cruising, and smart cleaning modes that prioritize pet-heavy areas. Both robots sit at the premium tier with powerful suction, advanced navigation, hybrid vacuum mop functionality, anti-tangle brushes, auto mop lifting, and strong app-based customization. Each dock handles mop washing at 176°F, 140°F heated drying, detergent dispensing, dustbin emptying, and minimal day-to-day upkeep. With large 6400 mAh batteries, both are built for extended runtime and hands-free operation, leaving the owner with little more than refilling tanks and swapping consumables. The most noticeable difference is suction. The Mova V50 Ultra Complete pulls slightly ahead at 24,000 pascals compared to the Saros 10's 22,000 pascals. For navigation, Mova emphasizes flexibility with its retractable LDS for tight spaces and over 200 recognized object types, while Roborock leans on Reactive AI 3.0 with 108 object types. Having used both, I find Mova's provide superior navigational accuracy compared to Roborock's. Obstacle climbing also favors the V50 Ultra with 60mm clearance versus the Saros 10's 40mm lift, which could make or break performance if your home has taller thresholds. Mova also adds a HEPA self-cleaning feature at the dock, something Roborock doesn't advertise. For mopping, the V50 uses dual spinning pads with warm water cleaning and dual solution tanks, while Roborock takes a different approach with a single vibrating pad and one cleaning solution reservoir. Mop speeds tilt toward Mova at 260 RPM versus Roborock's 200 RPM, and Mova's system includes an extending mop for added edge reach, whereas Roborock integrates a smaller side mop pad. On the other hand, the Saros 10 has the advantage in ecosystem features with broader smart home integration, voice assistant commands, and unique pet monitoring tools that Mova doesn't offer. Both the Mova V50 Ultra Complete and the Roborock Saros 10 are premium all-in-one cleaning systems that aim to deliver a nearly hands-free home experience, but they cater to different priorities. The V50 is the better choice if you value maximum suction, stronger mopping performance, and pet-focused innovation with dual solution tanks and HEPA self-cleaning. It's also the more capable climber for homes with taller thresholds. Meanwhile, the Saros 10 stands out with its polished software ecosystem, built-in voice assistant, and unique pet monitoring features, making it a great fit for users who want seamless automation and smart home integration. Both are excellent options, but the right pick comes down to whether you prefer Mova's power-driven hardware approach or Roborock's refined software-first experience.